So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an Exness account for the newbies, for those that are new or those that don't have experience into trading and how to get started. This is my first episode about the Forex market. Here I'll be showing you every strategies that I use and how I make money from the market. And I'll be walking you through on every steps that I have gone, and I'm going to be showing you results of all my trading and also explain how I trade the financial market so that you can also benefit and profit from the financial market while also benefiting from the crypto industry. All right, so here in this video I'll be going straight on how to first of all create our Exness account, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to deposit cryptocurrency from your exchange into the Exness wallet for trading. All right, so without further ado, let's get started.
So in order for you to create your account here on Exness, you have to click over here. Now these are the options. You can decide to click here and create an email directly with your email, okay? Or you can decide to choose use the Google. I prefer the Google because it is always faster. So I click on the Google. Then you let it load. After loading, you can see here now these are various emails that you can use. So I'll just go ahead and choose an email. All right, so I'll be using this email. Okay, I'll be using this email for the sake of this video. I'll click on it. And then you head over here where you have this continue, you click on it. Continue. Then if you pop out this, you can see now that they say finish creating your, here they say finish creating your account right here. All right, now you are expected to put in your region and choose a strong password for your account. Okay, so I'll go ahead and choose my region. You can just type in your country, Nigeria. You click on it, then you come over here and choose a password. So any password you are choosing, it has to be strong. Okay, you have to mix your password with big letter. Like you have to, if you are creating a password, ensure that your password is created with big letter, mixed with big letter, small letter, and numbers, and also characters. All right, that's a strong password. But if you know that you don't know, you can't create a password, then you have to use the Google options that will be provided. Okay, you can use the Google options that will be provided. So but I'll just go ahead and create a password for myself because I don't like Google's suggestion for password because they're always very complex in the sense that you might not remember them. Okay, so I'll just click over here and create a password for myself. So I'll just create a password, mix them with big letters. So watch as I'm creating mine. Okay, I'm gonna use victory 1992 hash dollar. All right, so victory. Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's go again. Big letter, small letter, 23195 hash. Good. You can now see that everything has been highlighted. Everything has been highlighted, which means I'm on track. Okay, so whenever you are creating a password, ensure that you mix your password with numbers and character. All right, then while that is done, I'll just screenshot it and save it in my notepad. Okay, so that I don't forget it, and then I'll click on create. Okay, and you let it load. Now they say save password. You can decide to save your password straight up from your to your email. Okay, so I prefer to do that. You click there and save it to your email. Okay, now I've created a password, so I'll just click on this section over here now, well knowing that I've created a password. I'll click on that login section over there now. Okay, I'll click on that login section over there now, and then I'll click on this sign in right here. All right, you are not going to be using this section. Okay, you're not going to be signing in through this section because already we are logging in directly with our mail. All right, so our email here has signed up. The platform have signed up the account for you automatically, has created an account for you automatically, so you don't need to use this option. Okay, again over here, so we'll always use this option. All right, if you ever registered in this platform in the past with your email, your Gmail, okay, precisely. Ensure you always use this Gmail, okay, this section over here. So click on it, and then we choose that email that we used to register, and that email was victory. So I'll click on it. Then you see here you are signing back into the Escness. They say you're signing back into the Escness. All right. All right. So I'll just head over here and click on it. Mind you, if you are signing up through your Escness account, you have to use the the website version. Okay, the website version is always very faster. All right, when you are signing in, so ensure you always use the website version. All right, from your Chrome browser, just go to your Chrome browser and insert this website. All right, just type this website into your Chrome browser and it's going to load up the website for you. But anyway, no worries, I'm going to drop this website right down the description of this video for you to use and log in. Okay, now I've logged in. They say I should finish creating an account. So okay, what I have to do is to select your country again. So just come over here and select Nigeria again. Then after selecting your Nigeria, you put in your that password that you created. You put in your that password that you created initially. Oh, that password was victory 1992. Victory 1992 hash. So I'll click on create. Oh, an error happened. This is a network problem, okay? This is a network issue. Whenever you encounter this, know it is network. So we'll just go ahead and try it again. So congratulations, your account has been opened. All right. So here is the interface of the website. You can see here that after clicking on that, following the procedures, you save your password. After saving your password, it will take you to this section right here. Remember, I'm signing into this platform. I'm registering into this platform through my mobile phone. Okay, now you can do that in your PC. Okay, so this is the demo account. If you click on this demo account, you're gonna be having a about 1,000, 10,000 worth of USD to be trading and practicing with. Okay, so here right now you can see that they've given me in my demo account, I have up to 10,000 USD that I can use and practice the practice with my account. All right, like practice the foreign exchange trading with the demo account here. All right, so this 10,000 years is a virtual money, okay, not real money. They are gonna be using to practice. Okay, so now if you want to create a real account, you just click over here and create a real account. But in the next video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to create a real account. But for the sake of this video, we are gonna be making use of only the demo account. All right, so I've just showed you how to create an account. Okay, so you have to ensure that you subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to turn on your bell button so that whenever I drop new videos, you are going to be updated on time. Okay, and ensure you join the community. The link is right at the description of this video, so that you always get updated on when I post new videos. Okay, so now this is how you create your account.